In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group using your desktop or your mobile phone. You can use either your account or your Facebook business page. This will just cover the basics, and we'll do an advanced group settings in a different video. If these are the type of videos you like, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified of any upcoming new videos. So let's get this going. So we're going to start by being logged into Facebook, going up to the plus sign to group, click on group, and now we're going to give our group a name. And the second thing we're going to do is choose how other people can see our group. So we're going to choose whether to be public, which anyone can come and see it and also see all the posts, or private, where only if you're a member can you see the post. People can find it, but they won't be able to see the post unless they become a member. So I'm going to go private, and this is where visible, where people can come and search your group and they'll see it. I can also make it hidden, where it's more of a secret group and only people who know the URL will actually be able to find it. But I want it to be visible, so I'm going to go visible. We now can hit create, big blue button, and that's it. You now have a group. And then at this point you can invite friends to your group. And you could just stop here and invite your friends and engaging them in posts, or what the better thing to do would be to edit the cover, and you can either choose from a photo you already have, or you can upload a photo. So we're going to click on edit, and I'm going to upload a photo from my documents, my download that I just grabbed from one of my stock photography places. I'm just going to save changes. We're going to add a description, tell you what it is. And then we also want to create a post and just inviting people to the group, telling them to introduce themselves. And that's it. You now have a group, and then you can start inviting your friends to your Facebook group. In order to create a Facebook group with your brand page, all I need to do is go to my pages, and then I'm going to go plus or create at the very top. I'm going to scroll down to group, and now I can create a group using my Facebook business page. That's pretty much all you need to do. That's the only difference, is you make sure that you're coming in as your Facebook page rather than your regular account. So your whole idea is to get members in this group, and then you'll be able to talk to them. This is also a great place to grow your customer base by providing valuable content within the group. Now we're going to do it for mobile, and we are going to go to our Facebook account and click on the plus sign and create group. We're going to put in our group name. We're going to choose our privacy, whether it's public or private. I'm going to choose it to be public, which means anyone can see the post and the members, and I'm going to create the group. Again, this is when they want you to invite some friends to populate the group with members. And now you add your cover photo. I'm just going to throw something up there so there's something on the group page, and that's it. Click on next, and I add a description. I can continue later, but I'm going to add the description now. Click on next, and now I create a first post, just again so that there's something within the group, and you now have a group. There's other things you can do. You can ask members to fill out a questionnaire before they're allowed to become members. You can automate the way you accept members, but that's going to be in a different video. If you wanted to create your group, but you wanted to use your Facebook business page instead, then go to your account, click on the three lines at the very bottom, click on your pages, click on the page you want to use as the administrator, click on the bottom where your groups are, click on the plus sign at the very top, and then create your group. You're now going to name your group and determine the privacy settings as well. And there you go. You now have your Facebook business page being the administrator for your Facebook group. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you want my Facebook business page setup guide, click in the video link below, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and click on notifications. You'll be alerted when I upload a new one.